first thing we're going to talk about today is called a relation, and you can look at the word and it looks like it comes out of the word relationship, which makes sense because in math, a relation is a relationship between ordered pairs. And this first example is a good way to actually look at that. So, for instance, this track meet or some particular track meet score by what place you got. So, for instance, in this one, first place is worth 5 points, second place is worth 3 points, third place is worth 2 points, and fourth place is worth 1 point. And as you can see, we can write those down as ordered pairs in that set that they have 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. Where the first or the x coordinate is the place and the y coordinate is the number of points you get. So relations can be also shown in tables, graphs, or mapping diagrams, and I'm going to show you an example of all three. We're going to take the same track scoring meet system here. So all the same points that we were just talking about, 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, and this is what they would look like as each thing. So as a table, it's basically taking those points and you have an XY. You have an XY table set up here where you can have the place and then the number of points in a table. You can also graph those points. We've talked about that, where if we were to graph this, this would be an x coordinate and a y coordinate. We'd go over 1, up 5. Okay, so we can see that point right here. If you get first place, you get 5 points. Second place, you get 3 points. So these are all coordinates that can be graphed. And lastly, it's kind of like taking the table and setting up a diagram, but which place goes to which number of points. And we'll talk further about those mapping diagrams, the graphs, and the tables in the next section. But a relation, remember, is just a relationship between ordered pairs, and they can be represented in a few different ways.